Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial. This is what's going on today. So today I'm going to show you, like I said, how I created this look, and I'm also going to show you how you can use your liquid lipsticks as a eyeliner. This is a new trick for me and I've been loving it so much. I really hope you guys enjoy that, and I finally got my extensions back. So I don't know if you guys can even tell, but I did go to my hairdresser to get my hair just layered because I have really short blonde hair and I just wanted to get it layered. She slayed my hair. If you guys are interested in the style, the length, the weight, and all that information about the extensions that I'm wearing, I will have the information in the description bar down below. I will also have a coupon code for you guys for these extensions if you are interested in picking some up. So yeah, I don't even know why I'm talking about my hair, but I'm just really excited about it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Then I'm going to take that shimmery, it's a little bit shimmery, that bone yellow white color, and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone just to give it a little bit more of a highlight effect. I'm not going to apply too much because I don't want it to be too overwhelming, but since the whole lid is matte, I'm also going to take that and apply it to the inner corners of the eye. I'm going to go back into this color and I'm going to apply it to the lower lash line, and then I'm going to grab a little bit of this color and just stack them together to get a little bit of a smoky effect, but not too dramatic. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the fun parts. I'm actually going to use this ColourPop liquid lipstick in the color Limbo as an eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take it out of the tube, and I'm just going to apply some to the back of my hand, just like that. And then I'm gonna use a angled brush or whatever you have. I'm just going to use this brow brush to apply the eyeliner. You have it, your brown wing eyeliner. These ColourPop liquid lipsticks for me last me all day, so when I've worn this, it doesn't budge, it doesn't smudge, it doesn't crack, it doesn't crumble, nothing. It's literally like wearing a regular gel or liquid eyeliner. So it's really cool because if you have different colors, you can experiment with different colors. That blue lipstick and the blue lipstick and the winged eyeliner that I was wearing in my haul video, it's exactly what I did. I just used a liquid lipstick from ColourPop as a winged eyeliner. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the other wing on my eyes and apply my lashes. And then I can just go ahead and come back and finish off the lips. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Limbo, the same lipstick that I used on my eyes as an eyeliner. And I'm going to use that as a lipstick. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Kapow and I'm going to apply that to the center. This is more gray, a little bit. And then I'm going to blend it out. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you liked my little trick. It's really cool, and I don't know, it's just fun to use whatever lipstick you have and make it into your own eyeliner. So if you do end up trying this out, let me know in the comment section down below. And that is everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video.